Wrap aluminum foil around your feet and see the magic. Did you know that aluminum foil has many surprising uses beyond the kitchen? One of its lesser-known uses is wrapping your feet for an incredible effect. But before we reveal what happens when you do this, let's go over some other clever tricks with aluminum foil. 1. If you have leftover onion, wrap it in aluminum foil before placing it in the fridge. It will stay fresh longer and prevent odors from spreading. 2. Put 3 aluminum foil balls in your dryer to eliminate static cling and keep your clothes lint-free. 3. To slow down banana ripening, wrap the stems in aluminum foil. This will help keep them fresh for days longer. 4. Need a funnel but don't have one? Simply shape a sheet of aluminum foil into a cone and you're good to go. 5. Wrap unused bars of soap in aluminum foil to prevent moisture from dissolving them, keeping them lasting longer. 6. If your device needs double A batteries, but you only have AAA, wrap a small piece of aluminum foil to fill the gap between the battery and the contact point. It works perfectly in a pinch. 7. If your scissors are dull, make several cuts through a sheet of aluminum foil. They may not be like new, but they will be noticeably sharper. Now, for the highlight of the video. Just wrap a piece around the affected area like a bandage and leave it on for 12 hours, repeating for 12 days. This technique, used by Chinese therapists, can provide surprisingly effective relief. Wrapping your feet in aluminum foil can help relieve inflammation or discomfort. Let me know which trick was your favorite, and don't forget to try these tips at home.